Hi guys, I have a special surprise for you tonight. I will not be doing the picking, but...
Hello, this is the lock-picking husband's wife. I have never in my life picked a lock, but have been present while thousands of locks were being single-pin picked, raked, shimmed or bypassed. And as the other day my husband brought home this Müllner 400 generic padlock, I thought there was no reason why I shouldn't be able to pick it. With a hairpin. No skills involved, I swear. The hairpin. Opened. Bye.
Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!